Hello everyone, hope you all are fine. Just checked about the two videos which I have uploaded on the YouTube. Hope you won't have any issues in it. I think somebody had some issues, so you can also talk to me privately on WhatsApp as well. Okay, come to the point. Right now, I'm going to show you how to join the live session of the classes. So as I told you, you people currently logged in as a student. So I want you to view it as a student as well. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I will log in as a student to let you know how this thing will look to a student. Okay. I logged in as a student. Currently I'm viewing it on my own laptop. So if you're viewing it on your mobile, so it's the same one, nothing much difference in it. But like you can log in now. I think you people all logged in yourself as well. Okay, now I'm logged in as a student and I'm joining the 7th A regular A class. Clicked on it. So this appear like that. You have seen announcement, assignment, attendance, quizzes, and everything. Now I'm going to join the live session of the class. So the live session has two things in it. Okay, so you have seen this screen of yours whenever you join the regular 7A class. It has announcements, live sessions, assignments, attendance, quizzes. So click on this live session. Okay, so when you click on it, this screen will appear like that, in which you have a join session option in it. Click on that join session. So it will open a new window for you. Click on this microphone, which this thing appear. It will check that is your microphone working or not. So click on that one. It will ask you connecting to eco test. Then talk to then press to yes. Press the yes.
You are now muted.
Now see, this thing will look like this to you. There's a public chat, shared notes, and currently who's logged in the session. If you click on that public chat like that, so you can talk to each other, all the students, as same as a group. So write anything, so it will appear to every student which is currently online. Then you can also have a private chat. So if I want to talk to my teacher, so I click on this teacher and start a private chat. Click on it, so I can directly talk to the teacher. Okay, so directly chatting can be done through each other as well. Then also you can share notes as well. Click on this one. This notes will be just like the blackboard, which can be shown to you, and you can write anything here. So it's very good for the teacher as well. So you can type anything, so you can have easily manage that as well. So I say like this is Botswana. Okay, so if I want to check, add something, click on it, make a bold, italic, underline, and even you can have multiple choice quests like second one, test, test, and test. Okay, if you want to import something for a different format, you can do that as well. Okay, so whatever the teacher is going to show you, it will appear here as a suggestion, like that would be to show you what my teacher is going to show me. So click on the camera, allow. So see, my teacher picture will appear like that, and you can have a view of a teacher as well. So whatever you're going to do, you can just have a view. So that's the way you can talk to your students as well. Also, the student can also share their picture as well. So if a student going to share it, they can share it through webcam. Start sharing. So it will ask for a webcam, and you click on the start sharing. So the student picture will appear as well. So it's very easy, just simple click and that's in there. And so start sharing. So now all the student can share their picture as well. So see, the test user can share their screen. Both way, the student and teacher can share each other. So we would suggest, as the internet is too slow there, so never to share the student video as well. So just share yourself and that's it. Okay, so these are the things which will be shown to the student. Students don't have much thing to do. They can also be muted as well. They can also be stopped sharing their webcam as well, and they can just view what the